Hello and welcome to Mammoth Lakes, California. My name is Mike Van Winkle. Wanted to just show you around town as a way of introducing myself to you. All right, here we are at Mammoth High School. This is the first stop on the tour. This is where I teach building and construction trade, as well as a welding course for adult education in the county. So let's head inside and take a look. Well, welcome to the shop. This is where the magic happens. We're currently in the middle of our kitchen wall build project, which is taking our students from basic rough framing all the way to finish and electrical. Through the double doors right there is our weld shop and steel fab, and then also our trim and finish room. So really blessed to have this kind of a shop to work with our students. Let's head into the classroom, see what else we can find out. All right, welcome to the classroom. This is my command and control center here. This is where it all happens, both the tech for teaching and then more importantly, lots of different information around the desk that I just found is super helpful to introduce myself to students. So I thought it'd be helpful for you as well. So airplanes and aviation, it's been my passion since a little kid. Haven't quite got my license yet, but working on it hopefully soon. This is my little claim to fame, my one big award that I hold on to. This is Chapman College, now Chapman University, Videographer of the Year 1989. This is an aircraft that I've been building with a friend of mine, General Contractor and a neurosurgeon building an airplane. Let's see what else we can find. Well, welcome. This is our cool little studio in our little tiny house inside of a house. Our great little compact kitchen here where we make all of our meals. Built it inside of a little reach-in closet that was part of this original bedroom. So this is where we make our own meals. This is part of our life here in the mountains. But I want to show you one of the best parts. All right, last but not least is this gorgeous view out our back deck, which is one of the favorite things about living here in the Eastern Sierra. And so I just want to say thank you. Hopefully this was interesting and a great way to introduce myself to you. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks so much. Take care.